Our PLA Premium is great, no doubt about it, but often is not enough to get perfect surfaces and smooth finishes. So today, we're gonna show you a couple of tricks, actually more than a couple, with your slicer to get an almost perfect finish. You may have noticed other prints online being silk smooth surfaces, and no matter what you do, your prints have still dense layer lines and average quality finish. So how exactly can we reduce the visibility of these layer lines on prints? Beyond the variable layer height method, we'll share several common ways that are going to be more effective. This is our model in the slicer with standard 0.2 millimeters profile with only supports enabled. And it will take around 1 hour and 23 minutes. Method 1. Adjust layer height. Click on Quality, modify the value under layer height. Lower values result in finer layer lines. Method 2. Set order of walls. Again, click Quality. Under Advanced, change order of walls to outer inner. This means outer walls are printed before inner walls. Then check Avoid Crossing Wall to prevent outer walls from being squeezed during printing. Method 3. Reduce outer wall print speed. Click the speed, locate outer wall under other layer speeds, and have the default print speed. Note, if the model has overhangs, adjust the overhang speed accordingly. Locate overhang speed and reduce the values for all angles. Slower speeds yield better overhang results. Method 4. Increase cooling layer time. Open filament settings, click Cooling, and locate max fan speed threshold. Increase the layer time value beyond the default setting, in this case from 4 to 8. Then check Slow Printing for better layer cooling. This instead, with our optimized profile, will take 2 hours and 10 minutes. By increasing layer time and reducing print speed, you extend the cooling time on the model surface, achieving a smoother finish. By applying these methods to reduce layer lines, your prints will have silky smooth surfaces. The results is great. Sacrifice just a bit of printing time to get a better surface. In my opinion, absolutely worth it. On the left, we have our standard printing profile, and it looks okay, normal, but not perfect. Some dense lines are still visible at the bottom. It's not optimal, especially if you're planning on selling your prints. On the right, we have our optimized profile, and well, it looks great. Very smooth, almost silky, considering this is PLA. And obviously, with our premium PLA, the result is even better. If you would like to try it out for yourself, the link is in the box below. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if this video helped you in any ways. Thank you so much for watching.